Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried egg rice easy. This simple guide will help you create a delicious and satisfying meal in under 15 minutes. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 3 cups of day-old rice, 2 large eggs, and your favorite vegetables. Having everything organized makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's get cooking. First, heat your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Crack 2 large eggs directly into the pan and quickly scramble them until they are just set but still soft. Remove these perfectly cooked eggs and set them aside. Next, add another tablespoon of oil and introduce your 3 cups of day-old rice, breaking up any clumps to ensure even cooking. This is where the magic happens with flavor. Once your rice is heated through, add your chopped vegetables, like 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots and 1/4 cup of diced onion. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the vegetables to become tender crisp. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a dash of white pepper, mixing everything thoroughly to coat the rice evenly. For the grand finale, bring back those beautifully scrambled eggs. Gently fold them into the rice and vegetable mixture, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout. Continue to stir fry for just 1 more minute, allowing all the flavors to meld together and everything to heat through perfectly. Serve your easy fried egg rice immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh green onions for an extra touch of color and flavor. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.